class. So here we continue the chapter surface areas and volumes. So in that exercise 13.3, let us see the third question. So curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeters square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. So find the radius of the base and TS of the cone. Let us see. Write the given. What is the given? CSA of a cone. How much they are given? 308 centimeters square. And slant height they are given. Slant height means here they are given how much? 14 centimeters square. Now first one we need to find the radius. So CSA they are given, so use the CSA formula. So CSA of a cone which is equals to formula is pi RL. Pi RL. So CSA how much is there? 308 which is equals to pi value is 22 by 7 into radius we need to find into height is slant height 14 centimeter. 7 1 7 2 take 22 and 2 to the LHS, that will become division. So 308 divided by 22 into 2 which is equals to R. So 2 1 2 1 2 5 2 4. So here 22 1 22 7. So radius is equals to how much? 7 centimeter. Next, in that second one, we need to find the TS of the cone. So what is the TS formula? So TS is equals to 5R into bracket R plus L, 5R into bracket R plus L. So here it is now 5 value is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into radius 7 plus L is 40. So which is equals to 7 on the 7 they get cancelled. So 22 into 7 plus 14 21. So 22 into 21 multiply that you will get 462 centimeter square. So the TS of a cone is how much? 462 centimeter square. So this is about the solution of a third main question. Let us see the next question. Fourth one, a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. A conical tent means it is in the shape of cone. Tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is is 24 meter. So here it is now. First question, find slant height of the tent. Slant height of the tent. And next, second one is cost of the canvas required. Cost of the canvas required. Canvas means cloth to cover that conical tent. So required to make the tent. To make the if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So here what they are given? So they are given that a conical tent is 10 meter high. That means height they are given how much? 10 meter. And its radius they are given how much? 24 meter. So first one we need to find the slant height of the tent. You know that slant height formula. What is that? L is equals to root of h square plus r square. So here h means how much is there? 10 square plus r means 24 square. So 10 square you will get 100 plus 24 square 476. So h is equals to, so now 100 plus 476 you will get 576. Sorry, 24 square 476 576. So which is equals to, so 576 square root of 576 how much you will get? This is, sorry, 24 square is 576 and this will become 676. So 676 square root of 676 how much you will get? 26. How much that? Centimeter. So square root of 24 square is 576. So here it is now, square root of 676 is how much? 26 centimeter. This is what? Slant height. Now let us find the canvas required to make the tent. So canvas means material required to cover the conical tent. So will you use material or the cloth for the base? No. You will use only for the CSA of the tent. So first find the CSA of the tent. Means that canvas required to cover the CSA of the tent. So first find that CSA of tent. So which is equals to, formula is pi r. So pi value is 22 by 7 into radius how much is that? 24 into L is 26. So multiply 22 into 24 into 26, you will get the answer 13,728 divided by 7 centimeter square. This is what CSA of tent. So means canvas required to cover the tent. Now 1 meter square of canvas is how much rupees? 70 rupees. Means this much area of canvas required, for that cost will be multiply the area by the cost. Therefore cost of canvas which is equals to 13,728 divided by 7 into 10. So which is equals to, sorry, into 70. 7 ones are 7 tens are. So the answer is 1,37,280 rupees. So the cost of canvas required to make the tent is how much? 1,37,280 rupees. So this is what the solution of fourth question. We'll see the next question. Okay, next guys, let us see next question. Fifth one. what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Means a tarpaulin, it is in the shape of what? Rectangle. So they are given breadth or the width, how much? 3 meter. We need to find the length. Means if you want to cover the tent, conical tent, so means you need to cover that CSA. That means what? If you cover this tarpaulin to make that tent, that means it will be the CSA of the tent. So CSA of the tent will be the area of this rectangle. So find the CSA of the tent. You will get the area of the rectangle. Width they are given. So find the length. And again they are given. While making this tent, we need to cut some portion of the tarpaulin or the cloth. So that wasted also they are given how much? 20 centimeter. Means after finding the length, add this also, you will get the total length of the tarpaulin. So let us see. Given height they are given 8 meter, radius they are given 6 meter. So for finding that CSA of a tent or the conical tent, we need to find the slant height. So first find the slant height. So here L is equals to root of h square plus r square. So h square 8 square plus r square 6 square. So 8 square 64 plus 6 square 36. So which is equals to 64 plus 36 100. So the square root of 100 is 10 meter. So slant height is how much? 10 meter. So here a tarpaulin, it is in the shape of rectangle. Width is 3 meter. We need to find that length. If you cover this conical tent, that means what? We need to cover CSA. So we need to cover CSA. So area of rectangle will be the area of the or CSA of the conical tent. So let us write. Area of a rectangle which is equals to CSA of conical tent. So CSA of cone is 5 r L. So which is equals to pi value this is today 3.14 into radius is 6 into L is 10. So which is equals to, so here it is multiply 3.14 into 6 into 10. You will get that 188.4 meters. This is what CSA of conical tent or area of rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. So here it is now. Length we need to find. So length is equals to 188.4 divided by breadth. So length is equals to 188.4 divided by breadth. How much are given? 3 meter. Wide means breadth. So 3. So L is equals to. So 3 1s are 3 6 are 18. So 3 2s are 6. 2 remain 24. So 3 8s are 24. That is 62.8 meter. Again, wastage also they are given how much centimeter? 20 centimeter. Add this to the L. You will get the total length. Therefore, total length of the tarpaulin which is equals to 62.8 plus in terms of meter. So 62.8 plus 20 divided by 100. So which is equals to 62.8 plus 20 by 100 means 0.2. So convert centimeter into meter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, or 1 centimeter equals to 1 divided by 100 meter. So 62.8 plus 0.2. So you will get the answer 63 meter. So the total length of the tarpaulin is how much? 63 meter. So this is what the solution of fifth question. We see the next question. Okay, let us see the next question. Sixth one. The slanted and base diameter of a conical dome 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meters square. So means first find the CSU of the conical dome, then multiply the amount to the area, you will get the answer. So let us say so given is slanted, they are given L is equals to 25 meter and diameter they are given how much? 14 meter. Then radius will be half of the diameter, how much? 7 meter. Now find the CS of the conical dome. Therefore CS of the conical dome, so which is equals to formula is pi RL. So pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into L is 25. So 7 get cancelled. So 22 into 25. So multiply that, you will get 550 meters square. 550 meter square. So now this is what CS of the conical dome. Now find the cost of whitewashing the CS of conical dome. Therefore cost of whitewashing, which is equals to area how much? 550 into cost how much? 210 per 100 meters square, means 210 divided by 100. Per means divided by. So per 100 meters square is there. So 210 divided by 100. So 10 get cancelled. So here 10 get cancelled. So 55 into 21. Multiply that, we get the answer 1155 rupees. That is so 1155 rupees. So this is what the cost of whitewashing the CSA of a conical dome is 1155 rupees. And this is about the solution of sixth question. Okay, let us see the next question. Seventh one. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone. Is in the form of a right circular cone. A right circular cone of base radius 7 centimeter, of and height 24 centimeter. Height 24 centimeter. So find the area of the sheet required. Find the area of the sheet required. To make 10 such caps. To make 10 such caps. So here a joker cap is in the form of right circular cone. So cap means it is open at the base. That means we need to find the CSA of the cap. So our base area is 7 cm and 24 cm height. So find the area of the sheet required. So for making one cap we need to find what? CSA of the cone. So and again we need to find area of sheet required to make such 10 caps. So first find the area of sheet required for one cap, multiply by that one 10, you will get the answer. Let us see. Given what they are given? Radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. So for finding the CSA of a cone, we need slant height. So find the slant height first. So L is equals to root of h square plus r square. So h is how much? 24 square plus r is 7 square. So 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. So 576 plus 49, 625. So what is the square root of 625? 25 centimeter. So the slant height of the cone or the cap is how much? 25 centimeter. Now find the CSA of one cap. Now area of sheet required for one cap. So which is equals to area of sheet required for one cap, which is equals to CSA of a cone. The CSA of a cone formula is pi RL. So pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into L is 25. So here it is now. So 7 on the get cancelled. So 22 into 25. So you will get 550 centimeters square. This is what area of sheet required for one cap. Now find the area of sheet required such 10 caps. So therefore area of sheet required for 10 caps, which is equals to 550 into 10. So which is equals to 5,500 centimeter. Therefore, area of sheet required to make 10 caps is how much? 5,500 centimeter square. So this is about the solution of 7th question. Okay, take 8th question as your homework. solve that. We'll continue in the